Okay.
Come on, little buddy. Go outside.
Okay, go ahead. Okay.
Whoa. That's some door shit.
Okay.
Okay, come on. No, wrong way, buddy. Wrong way.
This way. There you go.
Whoa!
Ooh.
I'm
Okay.
about ready. You know what I'm about ready? Just kill it.
No! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm so scared. Oh gosh, Jack, it is so upset. I can't do this. Okay. 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 Maybe we'll wait till it's dark. And then shine a light over there and then it'll fly over there.
If I could get that. If I could get the dryer thing out of the way.
What dryer thing? Okay, sorry. It's not a big deal. We gotta stop. Stop.
I really just want to get. No, calm down, calm down. You see, you keep going there, and I want to open that.
What are you opening?
The dryer
The dryer vent.
vent. But he keeps getting busy. Okay, just chill. I'm trying to get you out of here.
Okay, Jack. Okay. Where's it? Okay, I'm gonna leave. I'm not doing anything in here. Here.
I'm about ready to just kill this thing. What if I just whack it? Just whack it.
No, let me get it. Let me get out of here. I'll watch it from a distance.
Okay, I'm gonna leave. I think we should just let it go.
Yeah, it'll.
And thus endeth this saga, unresolved. Like that, with the door closing.